Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to earn on crypto.com. So first, let's go to our crypto.com app, and then as usual, we enter our passcode. So if you are just new in crypto.com and you want to learn how to earn in this platform, then this video might be helpful for you. So this cryptocurrency or this crypto.com is all about buying, selling, and trading your assets or your cryptocurrency or even the coins that's just like that. So if you're just new to crypto, I suggest you learn all about this aspect because crypto is no joke for real. If you really wanna earn in this platform, you need to have a deep understanding about it because your money will might get in vain in case. So that's why learning from it just by watching some tutorial videos or asking some crypto experts or your mentors that might be helpful before entering this platform. And that's all.